My name is Kamuhelo Munise, aka Jazzworx, all the way from Carltonville. DJ, producer, behind Vuga, Isaka, Uzizwa Kanjani, Bengicela. If Tologuti, Ovalo, Mawengani.
Go by the name of Thukuthela, vocalist, boy from Twatwa, Davidson. Shout out to you guys, I love you. Thank you for the support.
I go by the name of GLCJ, all the way from Katlehong. Real name Khuboko Onelakhanyani. That's a topic for another day.
Hello and welcome to it. This is Ntokozo Pucci, the only one on God's green earth. This right here is NB the podcast, otherwise known as Please Note the Podcast. And today we sit down with Jazzworx, Thukuthela, as well as GLCJ, all the way from Maseru, K1, as well as Etwatwa. We find out why they have the biggest songs in South Africa, have charted with 6 songs so far, and a whole lot more. Who are they? What you should be on the lookout for, and where are they planning on going, and where you can meet them. So yeah, do the right thing. Make sure you tune into this one. Thank you. Jazzworx, Thukuthela, GLCJ, thank you so much for having this opportunity to chat. Tell us how a guy from Maseru, a guy from Davidson, and GL, we'll find out a bit more. Yeah. But how you guys end up in one space and making such amazing music?
Braneo,
yeah.
Braneo ke nna ntse hore today o re bona re le so re be ntho re le nyona today. Re na le 2 years.
Yeah.
Re tsebana le Majida bona. Ene khale re span. O bona re tla lo spana no and I know ntho etsa la vie the way re na le bond ka teng.
Sure.
Motho ma re ipelela hore re hotse kaofela. Because ntho se ngata vele ra utlwana le Majida re bula ntho iwane almost ntho ngwe lengwe e ke e ratang ba e rata le bona.
Yeah.
So re kopantse ke Braneo. Actually before ne ke na le Thukuthela.
Yeah.
Thukuthela se je go fihle after. After till today.
Yeah, and I never left. So I met the gents before they even did Voga, before everything actually happened. So then I was very reluctant on the sound. I was doing a different sound at the time, and then I'm a shy boy, and then eventually we did, and the rest is history. You know, the first song that I did with the gents was Zoranjani.
Yeah.
From there onwards, skyrocket.
So yeah, I want to take it back a bit. You know, Voga drops December, right? In January, it surpassed songs that have been on radio for 6-7 months. It's now ringing off everywhere, right? What's that feeling? And then you get Metro FM nominees, and you're on stages. What was that feeling like? And what made you continue work with the huge list of other artists that you've worked with now? Looking back at it, that was Caesar, Mahu, I know now Babala M and Lala Tukzin on Uvalo. But what has that the journey been like since Vuga caught fire?
Look, I won't lie, it was amazing. The way support is so long corner, he says every day see press and make more music, and it builds us like like we see my experiences like me working with CJ. It was a new wave of like turning the music around. Jazz, come on, jazz is everything.
Come on,
like it is everything we need. I think the experience was amazing, and we love the way they actually supporting us and putting the work out there and talking about us every day. Jazzworx Thukuthela.
And what's it like drawing from different sounds, as far as a vocalist that's well known from Amapiano world, a DJ that's coming from more strap Afro tech world? What's it like bringing all these sounds together and creating the sound that you guys have, given us and has been making people go crazy?
Yeah, so bringing the sounds together, it's because with this sound, it's a very different sound. So there's a lot of breaking down that we have to do musically and stuff like that. So it's more of a collective effort that we put together. But so with the sound that we do right now, it's not a sound that you can. There's no cheat code with it. There's no. It has to be musical or nothing, my God. There's no shortcut with it. So working with different artists and hearing their side and different perspectives and different energies and different writing skills and different productions and stuff like that, it actually builds it and makes it bigger. You know, from the studio you feel the vibration.
This is gonna be something.
Yeah.
So I spoke to Neo obviously earlier. He told me that the video for Ovalo, you guys are working on it. It's in the works. How important is it? How important is it to put the visuals to the music? In this day and age where the TikToks and the Instagrams are taking over. How important is it for you guys to attach yourself to the audio?
I mean, of course, you as an artist, you don't want yourself in that position whereby your song is bigger than who you are, or people miss the face and they just hear the song only. So I think it's important in terms of someone that's listening, who has watched the video. When they close their eyes, they can literally see you sing the song, so you become a part of the whole thing, right? With socials also, your TikToks, your Instagrams, so it's very important. It's very important to us to have visuals, especially if the song is big, so that people can identify you and they know
Awesome stuff. So should we expect a project of some sort? Because you've given us enough to know that you guys, it's not a one-hit thing. You guys are making a lot of good songs. Should we expect an EP? Should we expect collaborations with other people? Maybe albums with other people? What are you guys doing for the rest of the year? It's going to be a big 2025 finish.
I don't expect the EP. EP we're hot. Album. That's a triple thing. Album. Song. Who again? I nana nje. You gotta get one today. You got one today. The collab. So far, what is the coupon? So we're gonna go. Bechamanga, you want to. I'm so confirmed when I available. Kenya male. Not just a release pan. So until the river level is a surprise.
Sure.
But skip show reveal. Ugila and toss it like I also expect until
with this pushy culture, South Africa have to be there.
Yeah, they are international. I can't say much about it.
But every time
sound it.
Like every time I must formulate like Kenya, they love it. Nigeria, they love it. France, they love it. What else? There's some bit of a fit. I can't remember the place.
Tanzania.
Hello.
Yeah.
Every day, but from Muguspona Silapa, and we're still trying to put the sound more out there. Like Spain becoming. There's a lot. There's a lot. Demand is
Now, thank you so much for this chance to talk to you guys. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you for having us, brother.
Also, before we leave, I would like to say thank you to each and every one of our supporters.
Sure.
I'd like to say also thank you to our team, the whole team, Neo, Sandile, everybody who's a part of it, Jazzworx, Thukuthela, GLC, Che. And just expect more from us.
Awesome stuff.